Welcome everyone. Today I'm bringing you a comprehensive step-by-step beginner's tutorial on one of the most powerful and revolutionary AI productivity tools available right now, Google's NotebookLM. Whether you're a student trying to ace your exams, a business professional drafting a new proposal, a researcher trying to organize massive amounts of data, or just someone eager to learn a complex new topic, this video is exactly what you need to watch first. I'll be walking you through exactly how to use NotebookLM from scratch and showing you how to leverage every single one of its incredible features. Before we dive into the interface, let's quickly cover what NotebookLM actually is. Think of it as your personalized AI research and thinking partner. Unlike standard AI chatbots that pull from the vast general internet, which can sometimes lead to hallucinations or incorrect facts, NotebookLM's intelligence is grounded entirely in your specific sources. It creates a closed loop of intelligence based exactly on the documents, videos, and links you provided. The workflow is simple. Step 1 is building your knowledge base. You can upload Google Docs, slides, PDFs, text files, web URLs, and even YouTube videos. It can handle massive amounts of data, up to 500,000 words per source. A standard account gives you up to 50 sources per notebook, and if you upgrade to the Pro tier, you get up to 600 sources. Step 2 is understanding and reasoning with your data through a dynamic chat interface. And Step 3, where the real magic happens, is the studio. Here, NotebookLM transforms your raw information into polished deliverables like AI podcasts, slide decks, animated videos, mind maps, reports, and more. Let me show you exactly how to do all of this. To get started, simply head over to notebooklm.google.com. I will leave the direct link in the description box below. Once you're there, just click on the Try NotebookLM button. You will need to sign in using your standard Gmail account. Once you're signed in, you're greeted with the homepage interface. At the top, you'll see Featured Notebooks, curated by Google Research. These are great examples to click through if you want to see what the AI is capable of. Down below is the Recent Notebooks section. If you're a beginner, this area will be empty, but as you create projects, they will all be neatly organized right here. In the top right corner, you have your view options. You can toggle between a grid layout or a list layout depending on your preference. Next to that, you'll find the Settings gear icon. Inside Settings, you can switch your app theme. If you want to change from light mode to dark mode to save your eyes during late-night research sessions, you can do that right here. I prefer the sleek look of dark mode, so I'm going to leave it switched on. Now let's create our very first project. Click on the big plus Create New button located in the top right corner. For today's tutorial, we are going to use a real-world example. Let's pretend we're building a business plan to launch a brand new modern coffee shop called Neon Beans. As soon as the new notebook opens, you are immediately prompted to add your sources. This is where you feed the AI the brain power it needs to understand your specific project. You have multiple uploading options. You can upload local files directly from your computer, paste website links and YouTube videos, import documents straight from your Google Drive, or simply paste raw copied text. Let's start by uploading a file. I'll click Upload Files, navigate to my computer's Downloads folder, and select a PDF business plan I've prepared called Neon Beans Downtown Launch Strategy and Concept. As soon as it uploads, NotebookLM reads the document and instantly generates a relevant title for my workspace, naming it Neon Beans. Next, let's add some internal company meeting notes to give the AI more context. I'll go to the left-hand panel, click the plus Add Sources button, and select Drive. This connects directly to my Google Drive. I'll search for a document titled Neon Beans May 10th Meeting Notes, select it, and click Insert. But what about external expertise? We can bring that in too. Let's say I want to include advice from a YouTube tutorial. I'll head over to YouTube, find a great informational video titled How to Open a Coffee Shop for Beginners, and copy the video URL. Back in NotebookLM, I click on the Websites Upload option, which perfectly handles YouTube links, paste the URL, and click Insert. Finally, I'll grab a written article from Google regarding specialty coffee industry trends for 2026, copy that URL, paste it into the same Websites option, and hit Insert. Now we have 4 distinct sources successfully uploaded. But let's say we need a bit more market data and we don't have the specific links ready. NotebookLM features a phenomenal built-in tool called Fast Research. Right under the Add Sources menu, you'll see a search bar. I can type a query directly into here, such as Coffee Shop Strategy 2026, and click the blue Submit arrow. The AI acts as your personal research agent, scours the web, and returns a list of highly relevant articles. In this case, it found 10 fantastic resources. Before adding them to my project, I can click View next to any article to open it and read through it to ensure it's exactly what I need. If I decide I don't need all 10 articles, I can simply uncheck the boxes next to the ones that don't match my project's vision. For this example, I'll just select one really strong article from the list and click Import. Now we have 5 incredibly robust sources powering our notebook. As your project grows, your source list might get a little cluttered. To fix this, click the 3 little dots next to the search bar and select Auto-Label Sources by your topics. NotebookLM will automatically read the themes of your documents and categorize them into neat folders like Coffee Shop Management, Industry Trends, and Neon Beans Business. This is a game changer for keeping your workspace organized. Now that our knowledge base is fully built and organized, it's time to interact with it using the chat interface located right in the center of your screen. Let's ask the AI a direct question based on our uploaded business plan. I'll type, "Summarize the launch timeline for the coffee shop," and hit Submit. NotebookLM instantly cross-references my uploaded PDF and generates a clear, concise 4-week launch roadmap. Notice those little numbers at the end of each bullet point? Those are your citations. If you click on one of those numbers, NotebookLM takes you directly to the exact highlighted sentence in your original source document where it pulled that information. This guarantees that the AI isn't just making things up, it is strictly analyzing your data. Let's try asking something else, this time focusing on our internal meeting notes. I'll ask, what are the biggest risks mentioned in our meeting notes? The AI perfectly identifies supply chain delays and noise complaints, issues discussed specifically in our team meeting document. This is incredibly valuable information to keep front and center. To save this insight, I'll click the pin icon that says Save to Note located right beneath the AI's response. This pins the answer to our main notebook dashboard as a permanent note, which you can click on and reference anytime as you continue to build out your project.
Now we are going to move over to the most powerful and exciting part of NotebookLM, the Studio, located on the right-hand panel. This is where your raw research is miraculously transformed into highly polished professional deliverables. Let's walk through these amazing tools one by one. First, let's create an audio overview. Click the expansion arrows to customize it. This feature generates an actual AI-voiced podcast based entirely on your sources. You can choose the format you want, a deep dive, a brief, a critique, or even a debate between 2 hosts. Let's select brief for a bite-size overview. I'll set the length to short, keep the language in English, and in the instruction box, I'm going to tell the AI exactly what to focus on. Focus on planning and operational tips for a new coffee shop, budgeting, choosing locations. Once you click Generate, the AI begins writing the script and synthesizing the audio. Because it creates incredibly realistic voices, this takes a little bit of time, so we will let it process in the background. While our podcast is generating, let's move on to the slide deck tool. Clicking on this allows you to create full presentation slides. You can choose between a detailed deck, which is heavy on text for reading, or presenter slides, which feature clean visuals and key talking points to support you while you speak to an audience. Let's choose presenter slides. Keep it short, hit Generate. Next up is the video overview. Yes, NotebookLM can actually create videos for you. Your format options include cinematic, explainer, or brief. I'll choose brief. For the visual style, you have incredible templates to choose from, like anime, watercolor, or whiteboard. Let's go with the classic whiteboard style. I'll add the instruction, provide a step-by-step roadmap for opening a coffee shop in 2026. Focus on budgeting, finding a location, and planning the menu. Hit Generate. Let's keep the momentum going. I'll click on Mind Map. Without needing any extra prompts, the AI instantly begins analyzing our sources to build a visual branching web of our entire business concept. What if we need to train our future barista staff? I'll click on flashcards. I'll select the fewer card option and set the difficulty level to easy so it's perfect for beginners and click generate. Moving down, we have reports. This section is an absolute goldmine for business and academic users. From your raw data, you can ask the AI to draft a briefing doc, a study guide, a blog post, a strategic plan, an educational handbook, or a trend summary. Because we are launching a new cafe, I'll select Strategic Plan. In the prompt box, I'll write, synthesize the Neon Beans mission statement and launch timeline with projected 2026 industry trends. Hit Generate. Next, let's create an infographic. I'll set the orientation to a social media-friendly square, choose the professional visual style, and set the level of detail to standard. Hit Generate. And lastly, we'll click on Data Table to have NotebookLM organize our key business metrics into a clean, easy-to-read spreadsheet format. All right, our studio deliverables have finished generating. Let's check out the results, starting with the audio overview.
This is the brief on planning a new coffee shop. Opening a cafe in 2026 is going to run you anywhere from 60 grand to $250,000, meaning your ultimate survival hinges on mastering two pillars: your budget and your location.
Listen to that. It literally created a completely realistic, professional-sounding podcast featuring AI hosts actively discussing the budget and location strategies from our specific PDF and meeting notes. This is absolutely perfect for listening to your research while commuting to work or for sharing a quick, engaging project summary with a busy manager. Next, let's open up the generated mind map. Look at how beautifully it has mapped out our entire venture. It categorized our data into 2026 beverage trends, starting a new coffee shop, operational technology, and our specific case study, Neon Beans. It's interactive too. If I click on a node like starting a new coffee shop, it expands to reveal subtopics like location strategy and financial management. This is a phenomenal tool for visual brainstormers. Now let's take a look at the slide deck it created. If I expand the view, you can see it generated a stunning title slide, Neon Beans, Downtown Launch Strategy and 2026 Market Blueprint. It created highly professional slides outlining the global flavors we need to target, our specific target audience demographics, our financial engine requirements, and our complete 4-week mitigation roadmap. Look to the top right of the screen. You can download this immediately as a standard PDF or directly as a PowerPoint file, ready to present to your investors. Let's check out our infographic. It did an incredible job visually representing our data. It highlights statistics pulled from our sources showing that 75% of Gen Z consumers prioritize customization alongside a visual breakdown of our budget rules. You can hit the download button and save this straight as a PNG image for your marketing materials. Our data table is ready as well. It perfectly categorized our business strategy, target audience, menu focus, and recommended locations into a clean grid based on our documents. With one simple click on the Export to Sheets button, you can push this directly into Google Spreadsheets for further data manipulation. The flashcards feature generated great Q&A prompts, like asking what the recommended square footage is for a beginner cafe, which is perfect for testing your own knowledge or training your team. And finally, let's look at the video overview.
So, opening a coffee shop in 2026 might feel overwhelming, right? Let's break down your simple launch roadmap. We're tackling 3 main things today: setting your budget, scouting that perfect location, and planning a killer menu. All right, first up, budgeting. You'll generally need between $60,000 and skips meat just to eat about 4. That leaves 15% for rent.
It generated a fantastic custom whiteboard animation completely explaining the steps to open a cafe in 2026 based on our sources. This is an incredibly engaging, high-effort piece of content generated in minutes. It's a game changer for team presentations or classroom assignments. Once your project masterpiece is complete, you're probably going to want to share it with others. Go to the top right corner of the interface and click the Share button. From this menu, you can add specific email addresses to invite your colleagues or team members directly to the notebook. You can also adjust the general access settings, changing it from restricted to anyone with the link. Simply copy the generated link and you can send your entire interactive notebook complete with all your uploaded sources, your saved chat notes, and all of your amazing studio deliverables to absolutely anyone you want to collaborate with. And that's it, guys. That's exactly how you master Google's NotebookLM from start to finish. This tool will absolutely revolutionize the way you work, study, and plan your business strategies. If you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful and valuable, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and let me know down in the comments what kind of project you plan on building with NotebookLM. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.